A few years back, I decided to move from one hosting provider to another with their migration assistant. But in the process, I lost my WordPress site and I spent hours building this site from scratch. Man, I wish I had this plugin. So today I will show you how to migrate your website from one server to another and show you how to download and store your website back up so that just in case something happens, you still have your hard work stored. And make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Let's dive in. You simply go to backupbliss.com, click on get it now. Here you can purchase your license, but we're going to be using the free version and it does the job. Let's go straight to WordPress. Here I have a website using a template. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to plugins real quick and add new plugin. So we're going to install it from the WordPress browser, or you can just click the link in the description. All right, now let's go ahead and download the free plugin. As you can see here, we have the backup migration plugin. You can simply download it on wordpress.org or just search it on your plugin browser on your WordPress dashboard. But there is a link in my description to download everything you need. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and say backup migration. As you can see, there it is, backup migration by Inserve. We're gonna click install real quick. Okay, click activate. All right, now that the plugin is active, we're gonna click refresh real quick. Okay, so what you're gonna see now, we have a new tab, backup migration tool. What I love about this plugin, you can pick and choose what you want to save. Okay, that way you can control the size of your WordPress backups. For example, here you can go to what will be backupped and you decide, okay, do you want to back up the WordPress installation also, or you want to deselect it? In this case, I will deselect it and only pick up the themes, plugins, uploads, everything else in WP content. And when we go down, as you can see here, you can decide, I want to export any file larger than 100 megabytes. When you go down, you can see other filtering options. Others, obviously, they are premium features, but you can simply use the link in my description to get 20% off your pro license. It gives you more advantages, but trust me, with this free tool you can do so much. Okay, let's go ahead and scroll down and click save. Other options. Okay, if you want to customize it further, as you can see, there's other pro features here. Most of these filtering tools are pro features. All right, looking good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how this works. So we're gonna go ahead and create our first backup. Click create backup. Create the backup. Looking good. Now it's backing up and zipping our files. Now the backup is finished. As you can see here, you can see a link. This is a backup link you can use. Let's say you want to move this copy of the website to another domain name, or maybe one of your domain names, to make updates without affecting the live site. Okay, you can simply go to copy. As you can see, your backup is now accessible. To migrate your site, just copy above link on the target website. Okay, obviously you have to install the same plugin on that website also. So we're gonna go ahead and add a new plugin and do the same thing, add backup migration. Yeah, great. It says receive all plugin alerts. I don't want the plugin alerts, I'm sorry. Okay, as you can see now, we have the plugin on the new site. Let me show you proof. There's nothing going on here, and I want to show you what's on the site we just created the backup of. Right, this is SA Travels. Great. Okay, so we're gonna go to this one. As you can see, it's a default, and we're gonna go back to dashboard. All right, I'm gonna go to backup migration. And we're gonna go to manage and restore backups on the new WordPress installation. We're gonna go to manage, and restore backups. And on manage and restore, we're gonna click the super quick migration, open that up, and paste that link from our live website. We're going to click restore now. It's going to give us a warning. All existing folders, files, databases on this site will be overwritten and destroyed for good. Okay, I'm going to say yes, I understand that. I'm going to start restoring real quick. As you can see, restore is successful. Click don't switch on automatic backups and close this window. Awesome. As you can see, all the plugins are now loaded. The site name is changed. It's Just Travels. As you can see, the domain is still that just a website I had when it had nothing. Okay, we're going to click visit site. And voila. Your website has been cloned using just a link. The second way to back up your site will be downloading the backup. You can go to download backup and click download backup. And you can download it to your computer and manually save it to Google Drive. Awesome, looking good. Now let's go ahead and select close window. Here we can tell the plugin, okay, can you create backups automatically? Because life gets busy, and we can just click on this one here and click create backups every month or every week on the 1st at 8 a.m. and keep the last 2 backups that have been created automatically. Now let's go to staging site. Okay, staging site is basically a functionality where we can create a staging environment to make updates on our website without affecting the live site. So instead of using subdomains, you can get a temporary server storage using backup migration and their awesome Taste WP tool. With Taste WP, you can host your WordPress website without any hosting for 7 days. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a staging site. Okay, we're going to go down and create staging site. Click here. We're going to go ahead. Your staging site will be created on your server. This will duplicate all files and relatable tables of the site. Okay, we're going to click create staging site. All right, the staging site has been created. We're going to go ahead and click visit site. Looking good. As you can see, we have a cloned version of the website. Great stuff. So your server and domain, this one will be installing on our domain name. As you can see here, we have a staging site now. Okay, SA travels local. Okay, staging.com. Okay, and the second option, you can use an external server, which means you don't need to use your domains, and just click on Taste WP, which is a WordPress development tool you can use without purchasing hosting. Obviously, as you can see here, it's free for 2 days, up to 1 gig for 2 days, or 7 days if you are logged into a Taste W account, which is a software by the same company. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click Taste WP. It's asking which backups do you want to use for a staging site. We're going to create staging site and use that backup, the current one we have, and click staging site. So now it's going to give us a temporary hosting space using Taste WP, which is a great tool. For example, if you're building a WordPress site but you want to collaborate with other teammates, let's say you're working remotely, the beauty of Taste WP, another person can access it by logging into your account and continue the development. And that right there is backup migration. And if you want to save and get the best of this plugin, you can simply go for their plans where you can purchase for $30 non-commercial. As you can see, commercial is $40, and that is how you backup and migrate your website in WordPress. My name is Sabado September. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.